Welcome to this Physiology revision video on the circulatory system. I'm Amy, and today I'm joined by Emily and Lowri. Let's get you started with some of the basics. The circulatory system is a very important system in the human body. It has many functions and it provides a method for transport for distribution of gases and molecules, hormonal signalling, dissipation of heat, and a mediator of inflammatory and defence responses. The circulatory system is organised into three parts. What are these three parts?
First of all, we have the heart, which is the pump. Secondly, we have the liquid, which is the blood. This is made up of platelets, plasma, white blood cells and red blood cells. Finally, we have the containers, which are the arteries, capillaries and veins.
Arteries have a high compliance, which means the walls stretch easily under pressure created by the small lumen and thicker walls. They also have elastic recoil of fibres, which keep blood moving even in relaxation of the ventricles.
Arteries are made of smooth muscle cells, which are arranged circumferentially. This arrangement means they are capable of greater vasodilation and vasoconstriction, which adjusts blood flow.
So the arteries transport blood away from the heart, and these branch into smaller vessels which form
arterioles. These are a set of vessels, also made up of smooth muscle. These help regulate blood flow into the capillary network via precapillary sphincters. Precapillary sphincters are regulated by metabolites. These are low oxygen, high CO2, low pH. These all cause vasodilation.
Now we are going to move on to veins. Could you please tell me what's the difference between arteries and veins?
Veins are a lot less muscular and elastic than the arteries. This is because they don't have to withstand as higher pressures due to deoxygenated blood. Veins also contain valves, which prevent backflow. If you have a defective valve, you will experience backflow and may have a common condition called varicose veins.
Finally, what are the differences between the blood flow in the arteries and the veins?
First of all, the veins carry deoxygenated blood and the arteries carry oxygenated blood. However, there are exceptions with the pulmonary arteries and veins.
The arteries carry blood away from the heart and the veins carry blood towards the heart in a systemic circuit around the body. The pulmonary circuit is the passage of blood from the right to the left side of the heart.
Now moving on to capillaries, could you please tell me about the structure and the functions of capillaries?
They are small terminal vessels which are composed of only endothelial cells and basement membrane, which allows for a thin exchange surface, which is essential for gas exchange and substance exchange between blood and interstitial fluid.
There are three types of capillaries, which are separated depending upon their leakiness. Could you please tell me what these three types of capillaries are?
They are increasing in leakiness as you go along, meaning that different sized molecules can pass through them, starting with continuous capillaries, fenestrated capillaries and sinusoidal capillaries. Continuous capillaries have interendothelial junctions, except in the blood-brain barrier where there are tight junctions. This means molecules can be transported by specific mechanisms.
This means substances are kept in the blood and prevented from having adverse neuronal effects.
Where are the fenestrated capillaries found and what do they do?
Fenestrated capillaries are found in areas where there is extensive molecule exchange, such as the small intestine or the kidney. This means that larger molecules are able to pass through.
What about the sinusoidal capillaries?
Sinusoidal capillaries are found in the bone marrow and the liver. They are large enough to let blood cells through. This is important because they are made here and can enter the blood flow.
Thank you for watching our circulatory revision video. We hope it helps and good luck in your exams.